Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into Porter's Five Forces analysis. This framework is essential for understanding the competitive dynamics within an industry. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of each of the five forces and how they influence your business strategy. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about competitive rivalry. This force examines the intensity of competition among existing firms in the industry. Example: in the smartphone industry, companies like Apple, Samsung, and Huawei are in intense competition, constantly innovating and marketing to gain market share. Next is the threat of new entrants. This force considers how easy or difficult it is for new competitors to enter the industry. Example: the airline industry has high entry barriers due to significant capital requirements, strict regulations, and established brand loyalty, reducing the threat of new entrants. The third force is the threat of substitutes. This examines the availability of alternative products or services that can perform the same function. Example: in the beverage industry, the threat of substitutes is high as consumers can easily switch between soda, juice, water, and other drinks based on preferences and health trends. Now let's discuss the bargaining power of suppliers. This force looks at the influence suppliers have over the price and quality of inputs. Example: in the semiconductor industry, few suppliers provide critical components like microchips, giving them significant bargaining power over electronics manufacturers. Lastly, we have the bargaining power of buyers. This force analyzes the power customers have to affect pricing and quality. Example: in the car industry, large fleet buyers like rental companies can negotiate for lower prices due to the volume of their purchases, thus having high bargaining power. Remember, these forces are interconnected. Changes in one force can influence others. A comprehensive analysis considering all five forces provides a clearer picture of the industry's competitive landscape. For example, in the online retail industry, competitive rivalry is high with players like Amazon and Walmart. The threat of new entrants is moderate due to the need for logistics infrastructure. The threat of substitutes is low as online shopping offers unique convenience. Supplier power is moderate as large retailers have numerous suppliers. Buyer power is high because consumers can easily compare prices and switch to alternative retailers. That's Porter's Five Forces analysis, a powerful tool for understanding the competitive dynamics in your industry. Use it to identify opportunities, assess threats, and develop strategies to improve your competitive position. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has clarified Porter's Five Forces for you. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business insights. Until next time, stay strategically savvy.